Vietnam is one of those rare countries where every few days feel like a completely different holiday. Bustling cities, peaceful countryside, dramatic bays, ancient towns, and incredible food at every turn. If you are planning a 10-day trip to Vietnam and want a route that actually makes sense without rushing, this video will walk you through a perfect north to south Vietnam itinerary, step by step. Let's begin. Day 1. Arrival in Hanoi. Your journey starts in Hanoi. Today is all about arrival and settling in. Take it easy after your flight, enjoy a gentle walk around the neighborhood, and get your first taste of Vietnamese cuisine. The atmosphere here is lively but welcoming, and it immediately pulls you in. Day 2. Exploring Hanoi. Spend your first full day discovering Hanoi's character. Wander through the Old Quarter, where street life unfolds right in front of you. Visit Ho Chi Minh Lake, the temple of literature, and soak in the city's blend of history and modern life. End the day with local food and coffee, which Hanoi does exceptionally well. Day 3. Hanoi to Ninh Binh and Tam Coc. On day 3, head south to Ninh Binh. Often called Ha Long Bay on land, this region is known for limestone mountains, rice fields, and winding rivers. A boat ride through Tam Coc is a highlight, offering some of the most peaceful scenery in northern Vietnam. It is a beautiful contrast to city life. Day 4. Hanoi to Ha Long Bay or Lan Ha Bay. Next, travel from Hanoi to Ha Long Bay, or the quieter Lan Ha Bay. Board an overnight cruise and enjoy the spectacular landscape of limestone cliffs rising from emerald waters. Activities usually include kayaking, cave visits, and sunset views from the deck. Spending the night on the bay is an unforgettable experience. Day 5. Return to Hanoi. Wake up to calm waters and morning views before cruising back to shore. Return to Hanoi by shuttle bus and enjoy a relaxed evening. This is a good night to rest, pack, and prepare for the next leg of the journey. Day 6. Hanoi to Hue fly south to Hue, Vietnam's former imperial capital. The pace slows down here, and the city feels calmer and more traditional. Enjoy a relaxed evening by the river and take in the historic atmosphere. Day 7. Discovering Hue. Spend the day exploring Hue's rich history. Visit the imperial citadel, royal tombs, and pagodas that reflect Vietnam's dynastic past. Hue offers a deeper cultural understanding of the country and is a welcome change of pace. Day 8. Hue to Hoi An. Travel from Hue to Hoi An, passing scenic coastal roads along the way. Hoi An is charming, colourful, and wonderfully relaxed. In the evening, lanterns light up the streets, creating a magical atmosphere. Day 9. Hoi An at leisure. This day is all about slowing down. Explore the ancient town, relax at An Bang Beach, cycle through nearby villages, or enjoy a cooking class. Hoi An is also famous for tailored clothing, making it a great place for custom pieces. Day 10. Hoi An to Ho Chi Minh City. Fly south to Ho Chi Minh City. This is Vietnam at its most energetic. Explore colonial landmarks, bustling markets, and lively streets. In the evening, enjoy rooftop views or street food in the city centre. Day 11. Departure. Depending on your flight time, enjoy a relaxed morning before heading home. 10 days in Vietnam give you a rich, well-rounded experience without feeling rushed. If planning routes, hotels, transfers, and logistics feels overwhelming, there is absolutely no need to do it all yourself. If you would rather enjoy Vietnam without the stress of planning, you can check the link in the description and have everything taken care of for you. Thanks for watching and happy travels.